One sunny day, Emma decided to go for a walk in the park. She loved the park because it was quiet and beautiful. As she walked, she heard birds singing in the trees. Emma smiled and felt happy. Emma sat on a bench near a big tree. She watched the children play and the dogs run. A small dog came to her and wagged its tail. Emma laughed and patted the dog's head. The dog's owner, a friendly woman, smiled at Emma and said, "His name is Max." Emma and the woman talked for a while and became friends. Emma continued her walk and saw a pond. The water was clear and there were ducks swimming. She took out some bread and fed the ducks. They quacked loudly, and Emma laughed again. An old man was sitting nearby, watching the ducks too. He said, "The ducks always like visitors." Emma nodded, and they talked about the weather and the beautiful park. Next, Emma found a small garden with many flowers. It smelled nice, and the colors were bright. She saw a butterfly on a red flower. Emma took a picture with her phone. She thought it was the prettiest butterfly she had ever seen. As the sun began to set, Emma felt a soft breeze. She decided to sit on the grass and watch the sky. The clouds were pink and orange. It was a beautiful sunset. Emma took a deep breath and felt calm and relaxed. Before leaving the park, Emma thought about her day. She felt grateful for nature and new friends. Emma knew she would return to the park again soon. It was a special place, full of life and peace. Emma walked home slowly, feeling happy and content. Her heart was warm, and she was glad she spent her day in the park. It was a simple day, but it was also perfect.